It's 6 years since the Marikana incident. Lonmin Platinum Mines' annual Marikana commemoration is underway outside Rustenburg in the northwest. The ceremony is to remember the 44 people who died 6 years ago at Marikana. On the 16th of August 2012, 34 striking mine workers were shot dead by police. For the latest, we earlier spoke to our reporter Olebokeng Khosilenswe, who spoke to one of the family members.
My father died on the 14th of August. He was killed on the Kopi by the mine workers that were on the strike on the 2012 August.
And would you say that this, so far, 6 years later, whatever your father, okay, maybe let me just ask this, was your father part of the striking mine workers or was he not?
No, he was not a part of the strike. He went to know what's going on with the strike, he will go to work or not.
And how did the death of your father impact on your life and particularly the life of your family?
It's very difficult for me and the family because on that day when he passed away, I was still working at Lone Mill on 2012 that time. And he was coming from the leave. Couple of days, when the strike started, he was already back on leave. Then the strike was starting on the 9th of August. When the people they started to strike, then on the 14th is the day where he passed away. He was killed by the miners.
And just the financial support that your father was providing for the family, how did you in the past 6 years, how were you coping? Who was providing for the family?
Actually, for the family, it's me, and because I'm the elder one who was working, and he was the one who was working, we put hands together, then to sort out the issues of the family. Now I'm struggling because I'm alone.
And where are you currently employed right now? What's your current position?
I'm still working here at Lone Mill. My current position, I'm an electrical aide.
And would you say that the strike, even though your father and yourself were not involved in the strike, that what the mine workers were fighting for back in 2012, would you say that to this day they have achieved it or not?
On 2012, the miner, they were looking around about 12.5 basic salary living allowance. I think now we are trying to achieve.
So are you saying that you have reached that 12.5 basic salary?
I can say we reach it.